Day 1. Breakfast. Oatmeal with almond milk, topped with fresh berries and chia seeds. Lunch. Quinoa salad with chickpeas, cucumber, tomatoes, and a lemon tahini dressing. Dinner. Stir-fried tofu with broccoli, bell peppers, and brown rice. Snacks. Carrot sticks with hummus, a small apple. Day 2. Breakfast. Smoothie with spinach, banana, peanut butter, and soy milk. Lunch. Whole grain wrap with avocado, lettuce, tomato, and black beans. Dinner. Lentil soup with a side of whole grain bread. Snacks. A handful of almonds, an orange. Day 3. Breakfast. Chia pudding made with coconut milk and topped with sliced mango. Lunch. Brown rice bowl with roasted sweet potatoes, kale, and tahini sauce. Dinner. Vegan chili with kidney beans, tomatoes, corn, and peppers. Snacks. Sliced cucumber with lime and salt, a pear. Day 4. Breakfast. Toasted whole grain bread with avocado and tomato slices. Lunch. Vegan sushi rolls with cucumber, avocado, and carrot. Dinner. Spaghetti with tomato sauce and lentil meatballs. Snacks. A banana, a small handful of walnuts. Day 5. Breakfast. Vegan yogurt with granola and mixed berries. Lunch. Spinach and strawberry salad with balsamic vinaigrette. Dinner. Stuffed bell peppers with quinoa, black beans, and corn. Snacks. Rice cakes with almond butter, grapes. Day 6. Breakfast. Breakfast burrito with scrambled tofu, spinach, and salsa. Lunch. Vegan lentil patty with a side of mixed greens. Dinner. Vegetable curry with chickpeas and cauliflower, served with brown rice. Snacks. A peach, a handful of pumpkin seeds. Day 7. Breakfast. Vegan pancakes topped with maple syrup and fresh berries. Lunch. Grilled vegetable and hummus sandwich on whole grain bread. Dinner. Mushroom and pea risotto. Snacks. Celery sticks with peanut butter, a kiwi. Tips for success. Don't forget the importance of hydration and drinking plenty of water. Do follow portion control for weight loss. Do regular exercise like simple walking to complement the diet. Please listen to your bodies and adjust portions as needed. Please share and subscribe.